I feel guilty every single day of the week that I did take her to the fair, and I've apologized to her.
A young girl went to the Fresno Fair to visit animals and left with E. coli poisoning. Now her father's talking about his daughter's life-threatening ordeal and the multi-million-dollar payout their family will receive. It's an interview you'll only see here on Action News. And that is our top story tonight at 6. Good evening. I'm Graciela Moreno.
And I'm Warren Armstrong. 5 years after a young Fresno girl became critically ill following a visit to the Big Fresno Fair, the fair has agreed to pay her more than $2 million. Angela Malos is facing ongoing health problems from getting E. coli poisoning that her family believes she got at the fair's petting zoo. Action News reporter Cynthia Rose spoke exclusively with the girl's father. She's live at the fairgrounds with reaction to the lawsuit and the settlement. Cynthia?
Well, Warren, Angela Malos was just 2 years old when her parents brought her here. Weeks later, she was barely alive. She suffered kidney failure and several strokes. Today, her family said they're relieved the legal battle is over, but Angela still has many lingering health problems. A trip to the Big Fresno Fair in October of 2005 has been unforgettable for a Fresno family, for all the wrong reasons. This petting zoo's the place the parents of Angela Malos believe she got a severe strain of E. coli.
I feel guilty every single day of the week that I did take her to the fair, and I've apologized to her. And she looks at me and she says, "That's okay, Papa. It's okay."
Angela Malos was awarded $2.2 million, $2.15 million from the fair, and an additional $50,000 from Porta Sands. That's the company that supplied the hand-washing stations. Outside court, the attorney representing the fair denied any responsibility.
Is the Big Fresno Fair admitting liability through the settlement?
No. There's no admission of liability.
They paid $2.15 million. They can say what they want. She got the E. coli bacteria at the Fresno Fair, and that's why they're paying $2.15 million.
Attorneys would not say if the fair board wanted to settle the case or take it to trial, but another party involved decided it was time the lawsuit was brought to a close.
The insurance carriers for the fair decided it was in their best interest to settle the case.
Malos says his daughter is still not back to normal. Angela has suffered long-term effects from the bacteria. She requires additional care even when she's in school.
She's fine mentally, but she still has some medical issues with her kidneys. She has eyesight problems. She's legally blind in one eye. She wears glasses. She has an aide in school, first grade, constant aide because of the gait issue. She can't control her body movements.
The money will be put into an annuity until Angela becomes an adult. At that point, she will receive payments that will cover any continued care along with compensation. Now, several other children reported getting sick after visiting the petting zoo, but Angela's injuries were the most severe, and each case is being handled separately. The Great American Petting Zoo was also listed in the lawsuit, but they have yet to reach any settlement, mainly because their insurance company denied coverage, so a judge will have to hear that matter as well. We're live tonight in Southeast Fresno. Cynthia Rose, ABC 30 Action News.